Hey guys, welcome back. This is DK and you're watching Learn English with DK. Today I'm going to talk about Shah Rukh Khan. So he is actors in Indian and he also Bollywood actor, and he has lot of knowledge of how can act and how can talk with each other in English, in any language. And he also visit many countries, and he has also donate money for poor people. And Shah Rukh Khan has a leadership, and Shah Rukh Khan has, I think, most important. Shah Rukh have a one main and one unique habit. He also manage time. Shah Rukh Khan says कि if you have time, then you will achieve anything. So don't waste your time. Shah Rukh Khan says. Shah Rukh Khan most film trending, and Shah Rukh Khan has two sons, and Shah Rukh Khan have a lot of money. If you want to meet Shah Rukh Khan, then you will comment. And who is the fan of Shah Rukh Khan? If you are a fan of Shah Rukh Khan, then you will comment, yeah, I am fan of Shah Rukh Khan. And you should also comment why you are supporting and why you are fan of Shah Rukh Khan. What is reason behind Shah Rukh Khan? With honesty you can comment. And if you are not like Shah Rukh Khan, so I ask you, who is your favorite actor? You will comment who is your favorite actor, and you can also comment who is your favorite actress. Priyanka Chopra,